Hello everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to our channel. Today it is Friday, so that means we have 3 new releases this week. We are continuing with our winter kits, so we have 3 brand new winter kits coming to the shop today. They are currently available for 20% off this weekend, so if you are looking to pick these up, definitely grab them because they're on sale this weekend. And I also wanted to let you know that we are offering 40% off of all sale items. We just added the rest of our summer kits to the sale section, so those will be discontinuing from the shop. So if you wanted to grab any of our summer items that are still available, before I get into this week's flip through, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to turn on notifications so that you never miss any of our uploads, and then make sure to hit that like button if you want to see more YouTube videos from us. So let's go ahead and get started. This first kit is called Snowy Mountain, and I guess let's start with the deco sheet first. So on this side you get lots of little winter greenery dividers, and then this side you have some deco clip art. Then moving on to our journaling kit, which is 2 pages. It's unfoiled on our premium matte buttery sticker paper. This is what it looks like. Comes with a whole bunch. So if you're going for a more minimalist style planning, this is perfect. And then moving into our weekly kit, this is what the full boxes look like. You guys voted on our poll on Instagram for silver foil, and that's what I went with. I was kind of hoping hollow might win, but silver definitely was the more popular option. And it definitely did turn out really cute. The snow looks pretty realistic. And then the quote box is "Let It Snow." Then we have the headers and the bottom washi. Here is the functional boxes page. Lots of blues and greens. And I'm currently in the process of working on our winter $2 Tuesday collections, so that should be coming in the next few weeks. We still have a few more fall journaling kits and deco collections coming for $2 Tuesday in the next couple of weeks. But after that, we will dive into our winter foils. So moving on to the next kit, it's called Snowed In. You get some floral bouquets, lots of clip art, and then here's the journaling kit for that. Super cute. This one is a lot more colorful. And this one, it was really close between rose gold and hollow. And again, I really wish hollow had one, but I do still think rose gold turned out really pretty. So cute. I'm obsessed with this little snow globe. And then the little scene here by the fireplace. Super cute. And then we have our foiled headers, some scallop headers, and then your bottom washi. Next is the boxes page. And then lastly is the functional page. So that is Snowed In. This last one is called First Snow, and I realized every single kit that I just showed, they all have snow in the name. So that is how you know we are in full winter mode. So here's the little deco sheet. Super cute. This one is a lot more neutral compared to the other two. This is the journaling kit. I love the little faux wax seals. And this Polaroid frame is so cute. Then here is the full weekly kit. This one is also in silver, which I'm glad silver won for this one because it definitely matches really amazingly well. So here is a closer look at the foil elements. The quote box says, "Baby, it's cold outside." And then super cute, there's like a sled, some deer, lots of animals in this one. You have a squirrel here. Then we have the headers, foiled headers, the bottom washi. Here's the boxes page. Again, super, super neutral. And then here is the last page. So those are all 3 new kits that we have for this week. Leave a comment letting me know which kit is your favorite out of the 3 of them. I think my personal favorite is probably Snowy Mountain. It's super cute. I absolutely love the blues in this kit. They turned out really, really pretty. And just all the watercolors are super pretty. So let me know which kit is your favorite. And that's all that I have for you this week. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!